What are they? Jar Majrur, the Shibu Jumla, Jar Majrur or Zarf. Two different. They are both Shibu Jumla. Now, Khabar can be Jumla Failure. Do you remember? Khabar can be Jumla Failure. Sister Maimuna? Here. Hamidun Zahab al Masjid. So Hamidun Mubtada. Okay. Hamidun. Okay, brothers and sisters. Hamidun, what is Hamidun? Okay, where is the khabar? Jumla Fi'liya. What is the news about Hamidun? He went to the masjid. Okay, what is Zahaba? Fi'al. Where is the fa'il? Mustatir. Okay, you got your fi'al and fa'il. And ilal masjid, jar masjid. Okay, fine. So then I will say Jumla Fi'liya is coming as a khabar for Hamid. Now, Jumla Ismiya can also come as a khabar. So how will be Jumla Ismiya coming as a khabar? There is a Mubtada followed by another Jumla Ismiya. So this is an example. Brother, Hamzatu. What is Hamzatu? Mubtada. Are you with me? Hamzatu is Mubtada. Hamzatu is a Mubtada. So I say Mubtada. Okay. Then I am leaving it aside. What I am doing? Leaving it aside. What is after that? What is indahu? What is in the zarf? And this is Shibu Jumla Khabar. Brother? This is your khabar. What is this, brother? Mudaf ilayh. And what is this, brother? Mubtada. Sahih? Now tell me, brother, this whole sentence, what kind of a sentence is this? Jumla Ismiya. What is it coming as a? As a khabar for Mubtada. Are you with me? Do you see what is happening? Sister Arifa, Hamza. What is the news about Hamza? The news is he has a car. So then he has a car is a Jumla itself, which came as a, so what will I call this Jumla? Jumla Ismiya? Now this Jumla Ismiya is Khabar. This Jumla Ismiya, brother, the whole Jumla is the Khabar for this Mubtada. Did you get it? We will be doing this exercise a lot. Yes. No, I'm wrong. And ma is also harfu nafi. And brother, there are lots of ma. Another ma, are you ready? Okay, I will tell you. Even if you are not ready. Ma is a ismu mausula. What is it? Relative pronoun. Okay? Ma is a ismu mausula. Relative pronoun. Are you with me? Relative pronoun. Do you know relative pronoun? What have you learned in relative pronoun so far? Alladhi. Allati, allazi. So ma is also your ismu mausula. Okay, wait 1 minute. And this ma you will be, you will read a lot in Quran. Let me give you an example. I know it is hard, but I feel like telling you. Huh? Lahu ma fis samawati wal ard. What is lahu, brother? Hard, but I feel like telling you. Huh? Lahu ma fis samawati wal ard. What is lahu, brother? That jar majrur. Now what is, it has come in the beginning. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. And then there is the mubtada. Ma. Why mubtada is ma? Because it is relative pronoun here. Whatever is in the heavens and earth belongs to him. So lahu, are you with me? Lahu, jar majrur, shibu jumla. Are you with me? And khabar, where is mubtada? Ma. And fis samawati, what is fis samawati? Jar majrur. Wa fil ard, jar majrur. Fine, brother. Do you remember that whenever al-lazi comes, what follows after al-lazi? Silatul mawsul. So if ma is ismu mawsula, where is silatul mawsul? Got the idea? Fis samawati wal ard is silatul mawsul for ma. So truly speaking, lahu jar majrur shibu jumla khabar, where is mubtada? Ma. And what is all this after that? Silatul mawsul. I know it is tough, but we are going to do it many times. Okay, anything that comes after al-lazi, which is part of it. For example, al-kitabu, al-lazi, al-maktabi, lil-mudarris. So what was actually the sentence? Al-kitabu, lil-mudarris. But I said in English, if I want to translate, the book which is on the desk belongs to the teacher. So which is your ism, belongs, which is on the desk is silatul mawsul. We are going to do it. We are going to do a lot. Brother, don't worry. I'm going to explain you over and over again. And it will come during our course all the time. And let me assure you, from now onwards, you will master it. You will become perfect, inshallah. Inshallah. Okay, brother. So, Sister Sukhaina asked a question. If you take this whole sentence, then is it two mubtadas? There are two parts to the sentence. The first part is mubtada. And what is the second part, Sister Sukhaina? It's a jumla ismiya. So then this, if you call this mubtada, then the khabar is here. Okay? And then where is the khabar of this mubtada? The whole sentence. Sometimes, brothers and sisters, sometimes you can say Hamzatu mubtada number 1. Okay? Then leave it aside. Leave it aside. And then what is indahu? Khabar. But is this the khabar for this? No. Then this is khabar number 2. Because there is a mubtada number 2 coming, which is sayaratun. And all of this together becomes khabar number 1 for mubtada. Do you got the idea, Sister Sukhaina? But remember, a sentence can only have one mubtada. So this is our mubtada. And the khabar is the whole sentence, and it happens that in that sentence there is a mubtada khabar. It will come in the Quran. Let me give you an example. Wallahu, I said ataf, and Allah I said. Wallahu, ataf and mubtada. Where is the khabar? Indahu husnu sawab. Are you with me? Wallahu, okay. Okay, Allah, what is the news? With him, there is the most beautiful reward. So, brother, Allahu mubtada. Where is the khabar? A sentence comes. Indahu husnu sawab. So what is inda? Zarf. That became khabar. Husnu is your mubtada. So this whole sentence, which has mubtada and which has khabar, comes as a khabar for Allahu. Are you with me? So similarly here, Hamza too. Okay, what is the news about Hamza? The news is that he has a car. So, indahu sayaratun is a complete sentence with its own mubtada and khabar. This whole sentence came as a khabar for mubtada. Are you with me? Now, trust me, brothers and sisters. This whole sentence came as a khabar for mubtada. Are you with me? Now, trust me, brothers and sisters. Even if you got 50%, I'm happy with it. Because more and more sentences will come and you are going to analyze it. So, brother, how will you analyze this? Hamzatu, put a circle. And write down in that mubtada number 1. Okay? Okay. Now, you have another sentence. And circle this whole sentence. Indahu sayaratun, circle the whole sentence. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now try to analyze indahu sayaratun. What is indahu sayaratun? What is inda? Zar, shibu jumla khabar. What is who? Mudaf ilayh. Where is the mubtada? But whose mubtada? It is inda. Huh? No, sayaratun is mubtada for khabar, which is inda. Are you with me, sister Maynas? Sayaratun, if it is mubtada, then where is the khabar for sayaratun? Inda. Samajh mein aaya? Huh? Okay, brothers and sisters. Okay, now you put a circle. So that whole circle is your khabar for Hamza. Brother, samajh mein aaya? Brother, we are doing some mathematics. We are sometimes doing some algebra. We are doing all kinds of things here. Remember, I always quote Sheikh Hamza Yusuf. You want to increase your IQ? Learn Arabic. Because it makes you think. Okay, are you with me, Sister Naima? Hamza. What is Hamza? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? The whole thing. But let us analyze. Before we say the whole thing, let us analyze. What is inda? Inda is your zarf, which is shibu jumla khabar. And then what is who? Mudaf ilayh. And then what is sayaratun? Mubtada. If you want to call this mubtada 2, you can say mubtada 2. But then you will have to call inda as khabar 2. Because they are both related. Now, where is the khabar for Hamza? The whole Jumla Ismiya became khabar for Hamza. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? More examples are coming, Sister Maimuna and Sister Arifa. Do not be gabrified. Don't. We will learn. We are going to spend our time and inshallah we will learn. Inshallah. Okay, brother? That is done. Okay, now we still have 15 minutes, brothers and sisters. Tamarinu, ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Now this is something, brother, we have to do it. We have to do it a lot. Masmuka ya akhi. I am asking Muhammad. Masmuka ya akhi.
Ma ismik Muhammad.
What did you say?
Ma ismik.
Nah, then you'll say Ismi Muhammad. Masmuka.
Ismi Muhammad.
Ismi Muhammad. Masmuki ya ukhti. Salma. Masmuka ya akhi. Ismi Abdul Qadir. Now watch me. Masmuha. Ismuha Salma. Masmuhu.
Ismuhu
Abdul Qadir. See, this is how you will use it. Okay? Masmuha. Masmuhu. Ismuhu Muhammad. Masmuha. Ismuha Abir. Now you practice at home, brother. We are going to ask this question in the class. Masmuka ya akhi. Masmuhu Hasan. Okay. Masmuhu Ismu Salman. Masmuka ya akhi. Masmuhu Who? You will say ismuhu. Okay, Nusrat. Masmuki. Masmuha. Mainas, you see. Oh, Masmuhu. Farooq. Got the idea? We are going to ask these questions. So, try to work out. Remember, whom you are asking. Are you asking male or female? If you ask a male,